Hello, friends. This is your own Dr. Hema, MD in Homeopathy from Mumbai, having 15 years of clinical experience in teaching and treating patients. Today's topic is on demand, that is irritable bowel syndrome. It is more seen in women than in men. 20% of population suffers from this irritable bowel syndrome. Irritable bowel syndrome is the disease which is a chronic condition of the gut, that is in the stomach. We have to understand what is stomach. What happens is when we eat food, it goes down, it goes first to the stomach, then it goes to the small bowel, and then it goes to the large bowel. And the disease which I am talking about is of the large bowel. So what happens is there is a absorption, there is the broken down of the food pieces, and then it goes down and it's been excreted. So what are the various causes of this disease? So this is mostly the dietary causes. It could be because of more of consumption of legumes, broccoli, cauliflower, or more of dairy products which you could be sensitive to. Also, it is related to the nervous system where there is brain and stress and emotions involved. Now, the symptoms. Now, the patient will suffer from on and off constipation, diarrhea, or sometimes constipation alternating with diarrhea. There is a severe stomach pain, the tummy pain, there is gases, bloating, and there could be more of stress and anxiety. So, few days when there is more of stress, there could be constipation. If there is more of anxiety, there could be diarrhea, and this is how it keeps going. Now, various lab tests can be done for this, and this could be the blood test, it could be the stool culture, the stool test, urine test. Also, it could be various sonographies that could be done to rule out other differential diagnosis. That could be if the person is having any inflammatory bowel disease, any celiac disease, or any kind of bile cancer. So we can rule all this out, and if nothing comes out, then we are sure that it is irritable bowel syndrome. What happens in irritable bowel syndrome is there is a irritation of the gut. The large bowel gets very sensitive, and there is a problem with that. So digestion becomes a problem. So how do you treat this? Now, treatment, the first treatment could be very simple. That could be you keep a diary of your food, that what you're eating and what is making you more sensitive to it. And if that doesn't work, then you can go for some change in your diet, or you can increase the exercise. Basically, 25 to 35% of fiber intake is required during the daytime. And if that is not met, there could be a problem in the digestion, and it could be the gut problems. Now, various homeopathic medicines help in this, and I'll tell you the comparison between the allopathy and the homeopathy, and which diseases get into it. Like, as the name suggests, it is irritable. The person who is more of irritability, more of anger disposition, who has a high valued jobs, and they have to face the low self esteem, and they cannot cope up with that stress, mostly suffer from this irritable bowel syndromes. And the various homeopathic medicines which I have used and which I have been successful in treating these patients are Nux vomica, sepia, Staphylos aegria, cantharis, colocynthis, arsenic, and the name goes on. As we take the history of the patient and we try to find out the cause and we treat the root cause, the irritable bowel syndrome is completely curable in homeopathy. And if you really like my channel, you can like and subscribe. And if you have any problems or any queries related to this topic or my any other videos, you can definitely message me on my WhatsApp number or my email. And if you need any topic which needs to be explained, you can definitely write down in the comment section. Thank you for all the love that I am getting. Thank you so much, my friends. Thank you.